To dive deep into how all of this works and what's next for the platform, we are joined now by Sebastien Borget. He is the co-founder and COO of the Sandbox. Good morning, or good afternoon, or evening, Sebastien, right? You're joining us all the way from Davos?
Absolutely. Good afternoon, everyone, right from the World Economic Forum in Davos.
Well, thank you so much for joining us on the show. I do want to talk about a few numbers that you had sent over. The Sandbox has surpassed 6.3 million users with the wallet and added over 1 million this year alone. What do you think attributed to this impressive growth, and to which do you plan on expanding the user base in the coming months?
I think it's very simple. Like we've just kept doing even better what we were already great at, and even during this crypto winter and the tough 2023-2024 market, like we kept on like onboarding major brands. Now we got over 400. Lately, we added likes of Attack on Titan, a massive anime and manga franchise from Japan. We've been improving the product and delivering for creator new possibilities to build more fun games, fun experiences that onboard users much faster. And through this season 4, that's been like a 10-week long event, we brought together 100 experiences from 40 major brands in music, gaming, entertainment, culture in general. 60 of the best player-made creation, and like drove a lot of engagement through simple gaming mechanics, like people have to progress, complete quests, explore those different experiences, and they earn reward. They earn their first NFT, they earn their first Sand token, and then they can choose to keep engaging or just convert it into fiat if they wish. And the recipe of success has been there, like that generated like over 580,000 unique players who played an average of 3 hours each, generating close to 2 million of hours of total gameplay. That's been exciting, and that definitely showed like Metaverse is far from dead. It's just like about bringing the right content, the exciting opportunities together, and packaging them very well.
Now, Sebastien, the 1.1 million blockchain transactions and 350,000 NFTs sold during Alpha Season 4 are significant. But how does this growth of blockchain transactions reflect the evolving relationship between users and digital assets within the Sandbox?
So one of the main missions of Sandbox is to empower anyone to become creator. And we chose to build the Sandbox platform using blockchain technology to truly empower those creators to own the creation, to own their asset, and be able to monetize them. So we onboard those millions of new users to discover very often for the first time what blockchain means, what is a wallet, how they can actually earn their first digital asset and reward and utilize them. So first of all, what's important is when a new user discovers the Sandbox and play for the first minute, he needs to earn some tokens, some rewards to first be onboarded and discover what's possible there. And afterward, like if they wish to, they can buy more NFTs to like increase their earning and have access to exclusive content and quests, which like the season 4 has been really like driving a lot of those conversions. 350,000 unique NFT purchase is a great number, specifically in blockchain gaming. And we are proud and happy to onboard more and more users to Web3 to generate blockchain transaction, and through that also to educate about like financial literacy and the potential and utility of NFTs in gaming.
Now, as the Sandbox has become a major player in the NFT space, what are some of the most exciting trends right now that you are seeing in NFT sales, and how do you foresee this market developing over the near term?
So NFT can represent any sort of digital asset class. Like we've seen like collectibles, digital arts, like we have like gaming items, virtual lands, and is one of the leaders in virtual real estate. Avatars that serve as your identity and also can allow you to progress and build a reputation. I do believe that the future trends of NFT will be essentially revolving around user-generated content, allowing creators to make their own content and sell it and monetize it on marketplaces. Avatars and digital identity, being able to choose how your avatar look like, inspired by some of the most favorite brand and celebrities for fun, is a great way to onboard them into the metaverse. And like the more utility those NFT will have, like for example, enabling new abilities for your avatars, the ability, for example, to double jump, to fly, to do custom action that no other users have are pretty cool. They can also introduce custom emotes, animation, ways to express yourself, and so on. And among the latest trends we're seeing in technology, I would say like AI is playing a more and more important role, both in like democratizing access to content creation, which is very important for user-generated content, and also like increasing the feeling of like liveliness in those worlds by having like virtual agents that populate those worlds, that play as real humans, that collaborate or compete with you and participate to those in-game economy by collecting resources and selling them on marketplaces.
Well, there's going to be a lot to look out for in this space. Thank you again, Sebastien Borget. He is the co-founder and COO of the Sandbox.
Thank you very much, and see you in the metaverse.